Yo, what's up my dudes, and welcome back to a new amazing video with me. Oh shit, I gotta clean up. So yeah, we're just doing normal shit. You know, the store things, we gotta keep up with the grind, you know how we do it. Last episode we unlocked the cook and we made some bread. So yeah. I'll put a water bottle up here again. 2 ugly rings. Yeah, some just nice things. I ordered a third one. I almost can buy the mace soon. I'm rad, like a Romeo. Bum, bum. I'll probably just play this game to town 2, probably, I don't know. I think I'll make this like a whole long series, I'll make a couple episodes. This is my 4th. I don't know where you go. I think it's... Did the man steal something? No, he didn't. Why they're mad? They're not mad, okay. Now they're mad. Why are they mad? Why are they mad? How are they mad? Why they're mad? Why? How? Why? Where? I'm a raw. Like a woman. I want someone to steal something so I can get my fucking things, bro. No, but not lovely purchase. Do a lovely steal, man. Shit, dog. Like, it's not that hard. I'll do it for you, my brother. I know Steve Stampa will steal something. I just have the feeling, a little tingling. Now they're mad, and I have not done anything wrong. There has to be garbage somewhere. There's no garbage. Why am I down? Oh, it's they. I don't. Maybe because I don't have anything. But how can he still be mad? Like, dog, like, chill out. Okay, it has a cane. I want to know what all these things are. Like the 100 attacks paid. Alchemist unlocked. Okay, bro. Oh, I'll probably pay taxes. Tax control. Pay tax. I don't have enough. No, if it's not dirt there and they're just basically just mad. Oh, thank God. Why am I thanking God for this? No, don't thank God. Oh, you bought bread. Nice one. I respect that. Okay, bro, like, wait. I'm a rat, like a rodeo. Bum 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 bum. My brother. Yo, bro, I have to say, you rocking the middle part. You look good, man. You look good.
Oh, thank you.
That bunda though. Man, these players have bunda. Here's my sexy character. Yes, thank you. He is very sexy. Wait, how did man die? Was it me or me? Was it him or me who took damage? Thanks. Oh wait, why am I thanking you? Welcome. Wow. Can someone steal? I want to try my new sword. Steal that. Oh my god, like I know you'll die, but like please just steal something. I know that you'll steal it. Steal it, steal it, steal it, steal it, steal it, steal it, steal it.
OMG, yes.
I hate my life actually. Why just not like steal it? Like actually like dog, you ain't funny. I'll do one. Wait, what? No, not that either. No, there's just shorts. Exactly the money. Okay, 13 seconds. So, guys, how's your day been? Your day been? Like, it's mine's great. It's Thursday. When this is out, it's probably 2 days left to Valentine. I think. Probably, I don't know. How many? Oh shit! How many? Oh, 2 more, and then we can unlock a new thing. Put this up here, this there, this there, and this there. Why are you mad now? How are you mad? I don't see anything. Fucking weirdo. Oh, we have them. So we can unlock that. We should unlock the maze.
Oh man, that's awesome.
Oh, unlock the maze. Well, thank you. Lovely purchase. Lovely talking to you, lad. Of course. Oh shit, that's why they're mad. Back to order. Okay, so it costs the same as the Gladius. Can someone steal something? Or, I mean, you don't. I'm not trying to force you to steal something because you probably die. I just want to check out my new sword. You know. They won't notice me. They won't. They won't see me. They will not see me up here. I promise you. Still it. I was so ready. No, they have seen me now. Still, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Yes! You young lad. I will destroy you. Oh shit, I killed someone. Oh shit, I'm hitting someone else. Yes! I hit like 3 people there. Bro, that was a good kill. Like, actually, I'm like the best here. Like, actually, I'm like, if someone could go pro, it would be me. Actually, like, I'm not even joking. Like, if someone could go pro, it would be me. They're so mad because I killed them. No, but like, dog, like, oh shit.
I like coming here. Hello.
Wanna buy some a red mask of me? I'll put 140.
I do agree.
How are you mad for me for buying my fucking mask? Like how? Sorry, we do not have any swords. I can't buy a couple of maces. Oh, too many. Too many. I'll buy 2 maces. Great. Why are you mad now? Why are you mad? Oh, there. Great, guys. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. And it has arrived. I'll put the maces up. And I'll put everything else. Like the apples we can throw up here. So put that there. That there. That there. And that there. And then we'll put... Yeah, okay. The what's called town guards, and then the porter. Great. Daily summary. Let's see if I passed the test. If they have done anything on it. If they have done a test. They have not done a test. On a 5? Guys, you gotta come in and fucking buy some shit, please. Like I'm begging you, dog. I'll offer you a red mask for 130. And they'll still go in the shop. That's amazing. Jacksepticeye? Yo, that's amazing. Buy something, my dude. Like anything for you.
Yes, thank you.
What's she buy? A maze. Okay, I will pay the taxes and we call it a day. We'll call it a day. We will call it a day if I can fucking... Oh, we'll open up the blacksmith. Close the shop. Sorry for any of you guys in there. Where is the blacksmith? See next door? No. Where I actually don't. Where's the blacksmith? Is that the blacksmith? I think that's the blacksmith. A bow. I'll buy a bow first and foremost. Thank you. Oh, toll gates are open. I think that's a good another video. And I'll buy a pickaxe. That's amazing. Okay, so next video, guys, we'll go out through the gates. So I have bought a bow and I have bought a pickaxe. I'll try to find back to my shop. And thank you guys. Oh shit. Thank you guys. Oh shit, for watching it. This video. Subscribe to it. To be honest.